Good morning, this is Cat. Today I'm going to talk to you about a brand new product I got from Buccees. It is the Buc-ee waffle maker. Let's jump into this. Y'all stay with me. Of course, Poppy want to be in the video, right? Let's show off. Here she comes. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, so unbox the waffle maker. Check it out. Things to do. Opens up, got styrofoam. And there's going to be Poppy jumping around, trying to get to it. Down, okay? See, so that's it, all it is. And it's in a bag. There you go. Open it up. That's it. Cool new Buc-ee waffle maker. Awesome. Check this out. We're using this Ascend waffle and pancake mix in the Buc-ee waffle maker. See that work out? Right now it's heating up. You can see on his directions here, he calls for a half a cup of water and 2 level scoops of this in a bowl, and it makes about 4 pancakes. And it's part of my healthy lifestyle with OPTAVIA. Easy. See, I already got 2 scoops of the pancake waffle maker mix. Yeah, I use this Trader Joe's coconut spray. It's pretty good. And it's real low in fat and it actually has no carbs or nothing in it. 0 calories. It's awesome. Alright, the Buc-ee's waffle maker is ready. It's got green light. I'm gonna use a spray here. Spray it down. And got the mix ready to go. A little bit in here. And fill it up. Yeah, it looks like 1 scoop's gonna be enough for this waffle maker. Yeah, so that's gonna be great. Get it all out of here. And fill it in. Yeah, mix it up pretty good. Alright, check it out. Fill up pretty good. And close it up. And we're gonna wait. Alright, check it out. After a couple minutes, we got the waffle done. Pop it over here and take a quick look. See, got Buc-ee on it. Awesome. So it's a Buc-ee waffle there with a Buc-ee waffle maker. Beautiful, isn't it? Alright. So again, that's the Buc-ee waffle maker. And I was using the OPTAVIA Ascend waffle and pancake mix, which is delicious. Alright, check it out again. This is the Buc-ee waffle that was made in the Buc-ee waffle maker from Buccees. And this is a box it came in. Awesome. It was $29.99 at Buccees. And we use this stuff here, which is the OPTAVIA waffle and pancake mix. And I eat that for fueling in the morning. Part of my lifestyle. And it's me, Cat. And again, thanks for watching. It's an awesome breakfast thing this morning. And again, thanks for watching. This is Cat. I'm out of here. Have a great day.